Hi everybody, this is Jill. Thanks a lot for coming into my kitchen today. I'm doing a grocery haul and it's an Azure Standard haul. And if you know nothing about Azure Standard, which is a hard word to say, you need to look them up online. This is a company here in Oregon, and they sell and promote a little more on the bulk buying side, many organics available, and boy are their prices great. And they sell everything from dried grains through ice cream, yogurt, all the way out, everything. And it is owned by a man named David Stelzer, and I'll tell you, he has got to be one of the most genuine, kind, honest, hardworking. I could go on a while about David Stelzer, and he runs a really fine company, and they are located, they do drops all over all over the United States, and Canada, and Alaska, and Puerto Rico. Hawaii, thank you. And anyway, you can look them online. They will show you drop locations in states and cities, and you can go in there and do shopping, and I think you would be really excited and surprised. They recently had a fire at their plant, and they've had to do a lot of regrouping and reorganizing for that. So give them a little love. I think they could use it. So let's get started.
And we've been buying from them for over 20 years.
We have always been fair and always stand behind their products, and their products are great. But he's right, 20 years. So we're going to start off with the smaller box, which is the stuff that's chilled or frozen, I hope. And so we're going to open it up here. Everything is always packed really well too. Okay, so what we have in here is a package of Ezekiel pocket bread. And then they sell, really, they have these in whole wheat and they have them in white. These are really great tortillas, and great is what the price is on these. You cannot begin to beat this in a grocery store, and they're all organic, non-GMO and all that good stuff. So these are excellent. So we bought 3 packages of these, and they will be going into our freezer. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to stop this video right now so I can pop these into the freezer. And we are on to the second box, and most of this is dried, or not frozen at least. Ugh. Okay, we got a package of, gosh, these are vegan, and these are awesome chocolate chips. So we got a package of those, which are going to go in the freezer so we don't eat them, right? Right? Okay. Then I got a package of large baking cups that go in like a Texas, size. And I got a package of hard red wheat because I do my own grinding of wheat to make flour, and of course I bake a lot of bread, so I got one of those.
And I eat a lot of bread.
He does eat a lot of bread. And here is a package of steel cut oats, very tasty. And I have, pull this out of here. I have a nice big bag of split peas because we do a lot of split pea soup. And I got a 5-pound bag of yellow potatoes, organic. I think everything I've bought here is organic, and this is their sales catalog for June. They always give you a sales catalog when you place an order. And then I have a pound of jalapeno peppers that I am going to be making pickled jalapenos for the director. I will do a video on this. As you may recall, I did a video just recently on pickled vegetables. So I'll be doing this on camera, but these are all going to be sliced up and put into a brine and made into pickled jalapenos. I also have is a beautiful bunch of leeks. Got a leek and potato thing happening. I'm going to do some soup with those potatoes and those leeks. I bought a bottle of red wine vinegar, a bottle of witch hazel for my bathroom. I use that on my face. A bottle of this teriyaki sauce, which is awesome. Gosh, it's good teriyaki sauce. We love it. I'd put it on toast. I'd put it on anything. It's so good. And then the last thing I have here, and I'll open it up because the way they package these things are very good. And they keep them very cold because they leave in a truck about a 3-hour drive from us, and they have lots of deliveries. And this is a 3-pack I'll get it unlocked here for us, of kale. Nice, beautiful kale, which I get washed up and get in my fridge. So that is, yep, that's my empty box.
And let me put in one plug for one product too.
What's that?
If you like popcorn,
Oh my gosh, they're
Azure Standard popcorn is the greatest popcorn in the world. Pops up fluffy, almost every single
Yep.
kernel pops. It's delicious, it's organic, and wow.
It is. He's right. I use an air popper, and I'll bet, really, wouldn't you say 2 or 3 kernels, maybe?
Yeah.
We've never seen anything like it. It's so good. Anyway, that is our haul. I really hope you'll take the opportunity, and I will leave a link down below for you. And I'm not plugging myself, but it is a link, and if you go in there and you make a purchase of, I'm not sure what it is, I get a tiny little commission. But quite honestly, I'd rather see you go in and do shopping and you know, give David some love, like I said. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you like vegan cooking, if you like soups, if you like Instant Pots and all that good stuff, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, and we will see you soon. Take care.